Hey, real quick, before you keep scrolling. You know that feeling when you sit down at your desk and already know your system is about to slow you down? That feeling disappears the moment you start living with the GEEKOM A8 Max. This is for the kind of person who values efficiency without noise. You don't need a giant tower to feel powerful. You notice when performance is clean, when responsiveness feels instant, when your workspace finally feels intentional. If that sounds like you, take a look at the current price and availability now, because compact power like this doesn't stay overlooked for long. You didn't randomly decide to upgrade. It happened after too many moments of waiting. Apps taking just a bit too long. Multitasking feeling heavier than it should. A system that technically worked, but never felt sharp. That was the point you realized you were done tolerating lag in a world that moves fast. The first thing you feel after switching is calm. Real calm. Everything opens when you expect it to. You stop thinking about what's running in the background. You stop managing your machine and start using it. Picture a clean desk setup where everything just responds. Heavy browser sessions, creative work, light gaming, office tasks, even media playback, all flowing without friction. You move between tasks without hesitation, and that smoothness quietly changes how productive you feel. What hooks you isn't raw power on a spec sheet. It's the consistency. The way performance feels steady and dependable. Once you experience that kind of balance, going back to something weaker feels unnecessarily stressful. Check availability again before you move on. Don't wait for those sudden stock gaps or price jumps that always seem to show up after you hesitate. If you're wondering whether a mini PC can really keep up, that doubt usually comes from older experiences. This isn't a compromised box. It's a focused machine built for people who want speed without clutter, power without chaos. One surprise you don't expect is how flexible it feels. Storage expansion, fast networking, and enough headroom that you don't feel boxed in a year from now. It grows with you instead of forcing another upgrade. Your workspace feels cleaner instantly. Performance feels fast but controlled. Multitasking stays smooth and predictable. Daily use feels effortless and focused. Power finally matches your pace. It's not designed for ultra-high-end gaming. You'll want good airflow around it. Eventually, the comparison tabs stop helping. Every time you look at something cheaper or weaker, you already know what you'd be giving up. At some point, you choose the system that already fits how you work. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you delay and think about later. Check the current price, secure it while it's available, and enjoy the confidence of owning a compact machine that finally feels complete.